Have you ever found yourself needing to navigate through directories in a shell script, only to get stuck on how to extract the right information? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we're going to simplify that for you by showing you how to get the base name of a parent's directory name in a shell script. I totally get it. You might be working on a project and need to reference a specific directory, but the path is just too long and complicated. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when working with shell scripts. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I get the base name of the parent directory of my current directory? They provided an example path and wanted to extract just the directory name. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what exactly do we need to do? In shell scripting, navigating through directories and extracting specific parts of a path can be done using commands like basename and darname. Understanding how these commands work will help us solve this problem effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can make your shell scripting even more efficient. To begin, the user needs to navigate to the current directory where they want to find the parent directory's base name. This can be done using the pwd command to confirm their location. Next, the user should use the darname command to get the parent directory's path. This command will help in moving up one level in the directory structure. Now, to get the parent's parent directory, the user can run the darname command again on the output from the previous step. This will take them up another level. Finally, to extract just the base name of the parent's parent directory, the user can use the basename command on the output from the last step. This will give them the desired directory name. Fun fact, the command line has been around since the 1970s. It's amazing how much power you can wield with just a few keystrokes. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests using the command basename along with cd and pwd. This method changes the directory to the parent of the parent and then retrieves the current directory's name. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to use quotes around your variables in shell scripts to avoid issues with spaces in directory names. This small habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You now know how to get the base name of a parent's directory name in a shell script. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more shell scripting tricks.